Ayan, ito na yung pasta natin, guys. Tsaka ito na yung karne natin, chicken. Nilagyan ko siya ng mushroom, guys. Ito na yung cream natin.
Hi guys!
How are you? Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. Kamusta ang lahat, guys? Kamusta yung Ramadan nyo dyan? Sa mga nagpapastik, kamusta? At magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, and magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat dyan, guys. Saan sulok man kayo. Ngayon, guys, is April 3, 2024. Pang 23 na ng Ramadan. 23rd of Ramadan.
24.
Ha?
Today 24 Ramadan.
Sorry, pang 24 na pala, guys.
Yeah.
24th day of Ramadan now. Kaya yun. Nagkaisip ako, guys, kung ano na naman lulutuin para sa iftar na. Kasi wala na akong naisip. Okay lang, sana ako pwede magluto ng gulay. Okay naman, pero ito kasi gusto niya talaga yan, meat. Chicken. Ewan ko paano lulutuin ko, guys. Tulungan niyo ako sa panis. Pero wala akong pinalabas na karne doon sa bahay, nasa freezer lahat. Kasi wala akong naisip na lutuin. Kaya yun. Do you want to say good morning?
Hi guys, good morning. How are you? Happy Ramadan. Okay.
Okay. Happy support of Mama.
I support Malik. Inshallah, I need to make more videos for you outside. When we go with our Prince Malik outside, seaside, inshallah ta'ala, and Malik want to see more animals to play. So Malik will make good videos for you. So share and support and subscribe to his channel. Bye.
Thank you so much. Yesterday, Malik reminded me, I want to go zoo. I want to see giraffe, mommy.
I told Abdulaziz for this one, he said only I think in Abdali. He said the zoo still closed until now, not open yet.
I heard someone that here in Sulaibiya, there's a zoo in Sulaibiya. They transfer here.
Wallah?
I don't know what
Let
is
me,
it.
I will check again. He like to check
But they said
because he wants to animal. He said I want to play with lion. I want the wolf. He said like that.
Oh, this
I want to play with them. He said like that.
I don't know this Malik. Always saying, I want to see giraffe.
Wallahi, if you go in the zoo in Egypt, he will like all animals there: giraffe, elephant, lion, leopard. All have mashallah there.
Only I saw, only I know here giraffe up here in Abdali. So,
Monkey. He said I want to fight with monkey. I will win her.
he's
I will
thinking
win
that
her.
he's very strong yan eh.
I am strong. I will win her.
Ayan guys, nag-iisip talaga ako, nasa isip ko kung anong lulutuin ko ngayon. Pero may naiwan pa naman kami na liver tsaka yung itlog. So, tama na yun guys.
We have more liver extra.
Yeah, it's enough that one.
You want to eat something beside it?
Then what yan? And Friday I make it laham biryani.
Oh yeah.
But I like to cook with the biryani, the one with the bones. I don't like the.
So,
No,
we
last
can buy
time.
outside. We can buy.
Last time you bring all meat, no? That guy said in the shoulder meat.
Yeah.
No, I don't like that one. It's hard. I don't like.
You know, for
I like the
biryani,
one-
it's better if we have goats meat.
Oh, you can bring this one, karov.
Kharoof,
Where we can buy karov.
They have more here in butcher in Farone.
Okay, then you can buy karov.
Kharoof, huh?
Mm.
Okay, it's nice.
Ayan
Yeah.
guys, kain kami ng karov.
Muton.
Ano yan siya guys? Ano tawag nito? Karniro.
Remember before this cartoon when I buy with my friends?
Ayan. Yun na lang naisip. Sa Friday, pero mamaya we want to.
Biryani.
Sa Friday, gagawa ko ng karniro na biryani. Yun guys. Pero ewan ko today and tomorrow what we can eat yan. Wala kasi akong naisip.
Actually, is this one I'm so sure.
Yeah, it's already long time I did not go there in 360 pesos. We go last time before we... But we did not make it go inside, no? Only in the grocery. Yan. Saka nga pala guys, sa mga hindi pa po pala nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe and don't forget to like, comment, and share and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos namin guys. At shout out nga din pala sa mga bagong subscribers ko, sa mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa mga videos ko guys. Thank you so much. Saka sa mga gustong magpa-shoutout, comment lang kayo guys para ma-shoutout ko kayo. Ayan, malapit na kami sa opisina guys, kaya hanggang dito na lang and see you in the afternoon. Takits na lang tayo mamayang hapon guys. Pero hindi ko alam kung may lulutuin ba ako or what. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa akong naisip guys na para sa iftar namin. Baka may maluto man ako ngayon, baka fry lang. Yun guys. Kasi mayroon pa naman yung kahapon. Ayaw ko naman magluto ng madami. Kasi kung magluluto ka na naman, mapinding na naman yan dun sa rep. Ayan, malapit na kami sa opisina guys, kaya hanggang dito na lang yung video ko. And see you in the afternoon. Yan lang ako mamalik. Say bye.
Bye guys, bye.
Ayan guys. See you in the afternoon guys. Ayan guys, dito na tayo sa bahay. Ayan. Ngayon, naisip ko na guys kung ano yung lulutuin natin. Magluluto ako ng bechamel. Kaya ayan, samahan nyo ako magluto guys. Luluto tayo ng bechamel. Kasi may ulam naman, kaya bechamel na lang lutuin natin guys. Buti naman at may mga ingredients din ako. Yung macaroni lang wala, pero nandun si Malik, bumili din siya. Kaya yun. Kaya ayan guys, samahan nyo ako mamaya. Magluto tayo ng bechamel. Ito yung gawin natin guys. May mushroom ako, mozzarella. Ayan. Cooking cream. Tsaka lagyan ko ng ito guys. Mushroom soup. Tsaka yung giniling na manok. Yan ang ilalagay ko guys. Ayan guys, mag-i-start na tayong magluto ng yung giniling nating manok guys. Lulutuin natin. Para mamaya pagdating ni Abu Malik, lulutuin natin yung pasta. Yan, ito na yung pasta natin guys. Ipaluto. Tsaka ito na yung karne natin, chicken. Nilagyan ko siya ng mushroom guys. And ito na yung cream natin. May ano yan, gatas, tsaka yung cooking cream. Tsaka nilagyan ko siya guys ng mushroom soup. Ayan, dinagdag ko siya dyan para tingnan natin mamaya yung lasa. Kaya ayan guys, abangan nyo mamaya yung bechamel natin. Sana masarap kasi walang tikim-tikim na naman guys. Ayan na siya guys, ready for oven na guys. Ayan guys, i-oven na siya natin guys. Ayan, after 20 minutes, okay na yan. Ayan na yung bechamel natin guys, malapit na. Ayan na guys, yung bechamel natin. Ayan, parang ang sarap-sarap. Hindi ko yan naisip kanina na gagawin nung nasa trabaho na ako. Tinawagan ko siya bumalik kung gusto yan ng bechamel. Kaya ayan, bechamel yung niluto ko guys. Tsaka yung mga naiwan. Ayan yung dried fruits ni bumalik. Ayan yung juice, cucumber. Kaya malapit na yung oras ng kainan guys. Kaya hanggang dito na lang yung video ko at maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang support nyo sa akin guys, and God bless us all. Thank you so much. Bye.